right, ladies and gents, I'm driving the 2018 Canyon Denali. It's a $40,000 truck with a 4-cylinder diesel. And where do we start? Okay, let's start here. I don't like Chevy trucks. People who know me know I don't like Chevy trucks. Why? The number one reason I don't like Chevy trucks is when it comes to technology, they're behind the curve. Oh shit, I just lost the freaking GoPro. That bitch is done. Well, that was crazy. I had to run out in the middle of the street, dodge traffic, and grab my GoPro, but hey, it is what it is. Okay, back to the review. Thank God it was a GoPro 3 and not a GoPro 6. But anyway, I don't like GM trucks for one main reason. And that main reason is when it comes to technology and what's inside the truck, they are lacking to the fullest extent. Like, you can get better technology and a better interior in a freaking Toyota Tundra, and it's a toy. It has toy in the name. It's a toy. You can get better interior and technology in a Nissan Titan. Like, that's GM is supposed to be like number 1 or number 2 when it comes to trucks, and the interior is terrible. I don't say it's terrible, it's just dated. Like, it reminds me of a 1998 freaking Suburban. Like, it's just not new.
Road construction.
Okay, thanks for telling me construction. That's the only technology you got. But like, it's just, I don't know what they were thinking. Like, they don't, when you get in the F-150, it feel like you're in a brand new truck. Like, it feel like you're in a truck of the future. This thing don't feel like that. This thing feel like an expensive 98 Suburban. Like, it just don't. This truck is 40 grand. There's no way I want to get in something that old. I mean, look at the knobs here. Look at this big old latch. Like, look at that junk, man. Look at that. Oh, with the light. It's still got this old fashioned. I got to come down here to cut my seat coolers on, and it's terrible. All this blank space that nothing's happening. I think this is a cigarette lighter adapter. And one USB port and an aux. Like, that's terrible. Yeah, I think this is wireless charging. I'm not sure. And the shifter's cool with the leather smother, whatever. And this part is decent, that little gauge. But with the F-150, like, your whole display is just completely different. It's like LCD. And this LCD screen is the same LCD screen has been on every freaking car since GM started offering LCD screen. Like, this was on the 2011 Camaro. It's just, I guess it's terrible. The steering wheel look like it's the same one that come in like the Envoy and every other GMC halfway off-road durable truck. It's just not, for $40,000. It's just not there. No sunroof, no dual sunroof. The seats are nice, but it's just not what I would expect from GM in 2018. I'm just not feeling it. I wouldn't. The interior sucks. The exterior is cool, but the interior sucks. The interior is cool. I like the grill. I like the lights. This looks big for a truck this little. This is not a full-size truck. This is a mid-size truck. And it's okay. The Denali badge alone probably costs you an extra like 10 grand. And it's a Duramax diesel, which I'm okay with. It's only a 2.8 though, but it has a lot of torque. The back is cool. You got all the slow falling tailgates and big Denali in the back and step, decent wheels. So this truck is 40 grand, $40,000. Now, That's Sierra truck money. Like I would expect to pay that for the big boy, the Sierra. This is not a Sierra. It's not as big as Sierra. Though there's a lot of room for adults. It's comfortable. Not as comfortable as Sierra. You can't fit 3 adults in the back. You probably can fit 2.5. It's just not the same. It get up and go is, I think the Mini Cooper was faster. And there is a delay. Like if you hit the gas, there is a diesel delay on that boy. Look at that jump. Like it's, all right, I'm gonna tell you when I hit the gas and watch. All right, I'm about to hit the gas. 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Super slow. That's gonna take forever. So you have standard features like Android Auto and iPhone Connect and all the basic boring features that comes with every car nowadays. There's nothing special about this truck. Not for 40 grand. Like, it's 40 grand for this? That's just, I couldn't do it, man. My conclusion, it's a decent truck. It's a super mid-sized truck. Like if you know you want a mid-sized truck and you want a lot, then this would be maybe your truck. But at that price, you might as well go get a Sierra and leave the Denali sticker off of it, because the Denali sticker costs 10 grand. Literally, that's in my opinion, the Denali sticker costs 10 grand. It ain't worth it to me. I'm cool. Like I can get the Denali sticker off eBay for 20 bucks. It's not, GM just don't give me enough in their trucks. They're not technology. They don't have enough technology in them. They're not, this is the type of truck you buy and still need a nice car. A F-150 has so much technology in it, you can buy it and not need another car.